In order to keep your car operating smoothly, safely, and efficiently, proper maintenance is necessary. However, many car owners unintentionally make mistakes that can result in serious damage and expensive repairs. Knowing and avoiding these common maintenance errors can prolong the life of your vehicle and save you time, money, and frustration. Here are the top 7 car maintenance mistakes that can destroy your vehicle. Number 7, neglecting regular oil changes. Engine oil serves the vital function of lubricating the numerous moving elements inside the engine block, making it the lifeblood of your car's engine. In order to shield components from overheating and premature wear, this lubricant reduces friction, avoids metal-on-metal contact, and transfers heat away from them. But as time passes, engine oil is exposed to intense heat and becomes contaminated by metal shavings, dust, and combustion byproducts. If the oil is not changed frequently, these impurities cause it to thicken and lose its lubricating qualities, which can result in the creation of sludge. Ignoring oil changes causes the engine's components to move against one another with less lubrication, which speeds up wear and friction. Reduced engine efficiency, overheating, higher fuel consumption, and in extreme situations, catastrophic engine failure, such engine seizure or piston damage, can all be consequences of this. In addition to maintaining engine health, routine oil changes also guarantee that gaskets and seals stay intact and avoid expensive problems that result from neglect. Number 6, ignoring tire maintenance. Maintaining your tires is essential for vehicle performance, safety, and fuel efficiency because they are the only interaction between your car and the road. Proper tire care begins with monitoring and maintaining the correct tire pressure as per the manufacturer's guidelines. Due to increased rolling resistance, underinflated tires produce excessive heat, which accelerates wear and raises the possibility of blowouts. Longer stopping distances and decreased traction are the results of overinflated tires' reduced contact patch with the road. Additionally, because some tires, usually the front tires on cars with front-wheel drive, bear more weight and stress than others, failing to rotate your tires on a regular basis results in uneven tread wear. Tire failure is more likely, and vehicle handling is hampered by uneven wear. Another crucial element is wheel alignment. If the wheels are not aligned, the car will pull to one side, develop uneven wear patterns, and put stress on the suspension parts. Inadequate tire care can also result in increased fuel consumption, diminished ride comfort, and vibrations. In the end, improper tire care puts your control of the car in danger and presents a serious safety risk. Number 5, forgetting fluid checks. To keep it operating effectively and safely, your car depends on a number of vital fluids that carry out certain tasks. By controlling engine temperature, engine coolant guards against overheating and shields parts from heat stress. Brake failure or decreased stopping power may result from low, contaminated, or leaking brake fluid, which converts the force you exert to the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure to activate the brakes. Gears are lubricated by transmission fluid, which also guarantees smooth gear changes. Low or unclean transmission fluid frequently causes harsh shifting, overheating, or complete failure. Power steering fluid helps ensure responsive and smooth steering. Too little fluid can make a steering heavy and lead to early component degradation. Regularly checking and replacing these fluids can prevent serious mechanical failures, shorten component life, and result in hazardous driving conditions. For instance, inadequate coolant can cause the engine head to overheat, and contaminated brake fluid reduces the dependability of the brake system. These systems maintain optimal performance and guarantee vehicle safety through routine fluid checks and replacements on schedule. Number 4, skipping routine inspections. As preventive diagnostics, routine checks offer a chance to evaluate the general state of your car, identify minor issues before they become more serious, and preserve manufacturer warranties. Brake pads, rotors, belts, hoses, suspension parts, battery quality, exhaust system integrity, and other worn components are all inspected by qualified professionals. For example, if left unattended, worn brake pads can harm brake rotors and reduce stopping distances. Ignoring these checkups raises the risk of unplanned malfunctions that could leave you stranded and necessitate expensive emergency repairs. Additionally, neglected problems over time sometimes result in collateral damage, which unnecessarily raises repair costs. Frequent inspections give you peace of mind by guaranteeing that your car is reliable, safe, and operating at peak efficiency. Number 3, using incorrect parts or fluids. Manufacturer-specified components and fluids are included in each vehicle model to ensure maximum performance and longevity. It may be harmful to use components or fluids that don't fit these requirements. Using engine oil with the incorrect viscosity or additives, for instance, can result in inadequate lubrication of specific engine components, increasing wear and potentially damaging the engine. To protect the longevity and performance of your car, it is crucial to heed the manufacturer's advice and purchase OEM or premium aftermarket parts that adhere to the relevant requirements. Number 2, ignoring battery health. In addition to starting the engine, the car battery is essential for powering electrical systems, including lighting, entertainment, and engine management sensors. Age, excessive heat, vibration, and negligence can all lead to battery failure. Over time, exposure to high temperatures destroys internal cells and lowers the battery's capacity by causing the battery fluid to evaporate. Ignoring battery maintenance frequently leads to unexpected no-start situations, particularly in cold climates when battery power is already low. Reliable vehicle performance is maintained and unexpected failures are avoided by routinely cleaning and inspecting the battery terminals, making sure the connections are secure, and changing the battery at the suggested period. Number 1, overlooking the air filter. One essential part that keeps dust, debris, pollen, and other airborne pollutants out of the engine's combustion chambers is the air filter. Effective airflow is ensured by a clean air filter, which permits the right fuel and air mixture for ideal combustion. The engine must work harder to draw in air as a result of trapped particles that air filters gather over time. As the engine makes up for the lack of oxygen, this restriction lowers fuel economy in addition to engine power and responsiveness. A blocked air filter can also result in incomplete combustion, which raises emissions and causes carbon deposits to accumulate inside the engine. In severe situations, insufficient air filtration may introduce abrasive particles that harm delicate parts like valves and cylinders and hasten engine wear. Maintaining engine performance, increasing fuel efficiency, and extending engine longevity can be achieved by routinely changing the air filter in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. Avoiding these common mistakes helps maintain your vehicle's safety, performance, and longevity, saving you from expensive repair bills and unexpected breakdowns. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.